Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. I'm John3, and today I'm going to be unboxing the ZWO Seestar S50 Smart Telescope, which I recently purchased from Agena Astro products. I hope you enjoy this unboxing video, and I plan on using this for a lot of deep sky imaging. But let's get started. So, I was actually surprised the box was this small for a telescope. When I've gotten telescopes in the past, like Nexstar 4C, it was much larger. So yeah, like I said, this is my first smart telescope I've ever had. So, let's get started with opening this. So yeah, I'll open the edges with the scissors, and then cut back to this when I'm done with that. Alright, so I'm done opening the sides with the scissors. Now for the package inside. Here we go. Now, let me just read this to see. It is everything I ordered. Okay, yes it is. Just the invoice, you know. Not gonna show my private information. And as you can see, I also bought some accessories for it. Because there's a few things it doesn't come with that I decided to get in addition. Such as you can see here, this Buckeye Stargazer Dew Shield. Got one of those for it. I don't know if you're wondering what these are. This is a dust cap and a bahtinov, I don't know how you pronounce it. One of those bahtinov masks. You know, that people put on the lens of the telescope to focus stars in crisp, clear focus. I got one of those for it as well, so when I'm taking an image, I make sure stars are as focused as they want. And yeah, like I said, a dust cap as well. Because this does not come with a dust cap for the lens, unfortunately. So I bought one separately that fits it. These are from ZWO Astro, so if you go to Agena Astro, type in ZWO Astro, yeah, you can find these on here. This video is not sponsored or anything, alright? I just mentioned them because if you are thinking of buying a Seestar S50, I recommend getting these accessories with it, too. But here we go, the main box of the telescope. Just get these things out of here. So yeah, I'm going to take this thing out of the box, and I'll cut back once I'm done doing that. Alright, so I'm done taking the box out of there. And I opened this on the top too, so let's see what we have in here. Seestar S50. Open up here. Alright, so I did open this on the correct. It's one of these pull-up tabs. And, you know, you got a little, some graphics there. Nice. So yeah, let's pull up like this. Kind of reminds me of, kind of same case you get like a PS5 in. Whereas the pull-up tab, you know? Alright. We are pulling up. Pulling up. And here it is, guys. The Seestar S50 in its case. Here we go. Yeah, let's see. The box contains a carbon fiber shell. So yeah, for this price, $500, you actually get quite a bit of equipment with it, you know. Yeah, here's the thing it's in. Alright, here we go. See, this is what you get in the box. Type-C charging cable, the telescope itself, the carbon fiber EPP shockproof case, a quick guide, and yes, even a solar filler. That's one thing I like about this. It comes with its own solar filler, so you don't have to buy one separately. For every other telescope I bought, that is not the case. And for $500, I mean, that's a really good deal. Okay. And, let's see what it says on the other side. So you can do, like I was saying, you can do deep sky, solar, lunar, and scenery photography. As you can see, this has smart control app, go to and track with one app, with one tap. Clean, crisp, low noise images, triplet aprochromatic optics, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, dual mode reliable connection. Astronet, global astro community. Connect with fellow astro enthusiasts around the world. Intelligent image post-processing. Just one tap before sharing. And of course, lightweight design. Highly integrated all-in-one smart telescope. Yeah, this thing's only about 6.5 pounds, I think. So yeah, this thing's really light. And I did not know it was going to be in such a small case. I'm used to telescopes coming in big cases, you know? So I'm excited for this. Oh, come on. Pull that tab out to get to the actual telescope in the box. Here we go. So yep, there's that case. Alright, well I'm gonna pause the recording and get the case out here. Alright, so here's the case out of the box. And yeah, it even comes with a carrying tab. Like I said, you know, wanted to like bring this with you somewhere, just put it in the case and hold it like this. Or put it into, you know, a suitcase or something. So yeah, to actually open this case, you have to flip these two things up. And then when we pull here, it comes out. So yeah, here it is. The telescope. This is the main telescope piece here. Got your carbon fiber tripod here. You know, the built-in bubble leveler as well. So that's nice. I'll just put that aside. Alright, and this must be the charging cable. Yeah. Oh, that gel. Silica gel. The solar filter. Yep, there's your solar filter. A tiny... Yeah. A tiny quick guide. This is version 1.3. ZWO Seestar. So yeah, I got your little quick guide. And safety guidelines. So you know what you shouldn't do with the telescope and what you can do with it. Okay, and You got some specifications in here. So yeah. Interesting. Here is the telescope itself. I said this thing's only about it's only about 6 pounds, you know? Really lightweight. Here we go. Here we go, the Seestar here. So let me get this thing set up on the tripod so I can show you how that looks. Before that though, I'll show you a look at the telescope's main body. So you got this side, you got the logo. This part here is the actual main telescope. Okay, we turn it around here. You see we got our USB-C charging port. You know, like what your phone probably uses. If it's a newer phone. Then we turn it around to this side. And we have the power button. Of course, this just came out of the box, so it's not going to have any power. That's where you press it to turn it on. And then here's the other side. If we turn it down here, you see we got we got some information about it. And the Wi-Fi too. Cause yeah, this does connect through Wi-Fi. Tells you its ID and passcode. There's another button I think on here. That you press as like a reset button. So yeah. Let me get this set up on the tripod now. I've given you an overview of the main body of the telescope. Alright, so I just plugged the Seestar in, and I guess I was wrong about being out of power, because look at this, it actually has 2 bars full. See, I have it hooked up to here. USB-C. Yeah, I guess I was wrong. But this is how it looks like on its tripod. I believe according to the manual, you turn it on, you have to press this 3 seconds. Yep. Okay, now it's on. You can see it just beeped. So yeah, I'm gonna switch.
Powering on, ready to connect.
Okay, so it has voice, I guess. Okay, so that was my unboxing of the Seestar S50. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.